So yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Experimental Guy Ayush, and today we are going to make cannon. So let's go.
So guys, things required are PVC solvent, old gas lighter, 110 mm end cap, 110 mm into 50 mm reducer, 2 feet 50 mm pipe, and 110 mm 1 feet pipe, and calcium carbide. You can get at a gas welding shop.
Soldering iron and MC.
So guys, first of all, take the 110 mm pipe and the end cap and fix it inside with the help of a solvent. So guys, first of all, take the PVC solvent and apply the solvent on the end cap. Stick both the PVC pipe and end cap tightly. Now take the reducer and with the help of PVC solvent stick it above. So you can see I fixed the reducer and the end cap, and our down portion of the cannon is ready. Now take the 2-inch pipe and fix it in the reducer, but remember not to stick it with the solvent because we have to take it out for the refueling. And now with the help of soldering iron, make a small hole to fit the lighter. So guys, you can see I have marked the place where I will put the lighter, and now with the help of soldering iron I will make a hole. Because now I am making hole. You can also use a drilling machine. So you can see I made the hole, which is perfect for the lighter, and the lighter is fixed tightly. Now with the help of MC, stick the lighter and make it airtight. So I stick the MC. And mix both of them properly. And this one is resin and this one is hardener. After mixing both of them properly, fix the lighter. So you can see I fixed it, and now let it dry. So guys, you can see that I am letting it for dry, and here I have attached a handle so that we can carry it easily. It is optional. If you like, then you can attach, and if you don't, then it's simple. I have attached it that also with MC and the lighter. So when it is dry, I will show you after that. Now add a small amount of calcium carbide and then little amount of water. Then close the upper part and mix it well. After that, let it form the acetylene gas and leave it for 10 to 15 seconds